it will affect the outcome of the result. So that's why sometimes some institutions, they will tell you, don't go for data set in cargo, don't go for data set in this place, go for data set in this area, in this area, this area. Because sometimes some data sets are actually synthetic data sets. They're not originally done. So they're synthetic, randomly generated. So they will affect your output, they will affect your result. So data set is a very important thing that you need to consider when you're doing an AI machine learning studies. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, it does. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other question? Any other question?
So, sorry, Prof. So, basically, what you are saying is that the first part of our literature review should be on a conceptual and theoretical framework of our study. Is that what you mean, sir?
Yeah, like I said before, in some universities, are you listening? Hello?
Go ahead.
Hello?
Go ahead, please.
Yeah, Tuba King, what I'm trying to say
Hello?
is that what I'm trying to say in essence is that these are things you need to do in your literature review. The order of sequence does not rely on me. It relies on the university's handbook.
Guideline.
Does that make sense to you now?
Sir, yes, sir, it does.
Yeah, so whatever I'm doing here is generic. It's something that you need to think about there, but the guideline and the order, or whether it's going to be there or not, depends on the university's choice or handbook. I don't determine that, but these are the general things that you always see in literature reviews. Even when you're writing articles, they also ask some of those questions. Some will ask, not all, because every other person will have his own guidelines for his own preparation of papers. But this is a generic thing you need to see. If that's okay, and if there's other question, I will go over to some kind of let's take on some. Can somebody give us a topic we can work on? This is my Google Scholar, right? You are seeing it?
Yes, it's visible,
Yes.
sir. Yes.
Should I mention that my own?
Can you give us a topic, please?
Consent-based forensic framework for correlating students' online and offline digital footprints.
No, first of all, you need to look at consent-based forensic frameworks.
Okay.
Survey in this area. So you have to know what has been done in this area. Now, if you put the whole title, I don't know whether you did something like this. Consent-based forensic framework for what? For correlating what? Offline, so I don't know. Okay. There are things I want us to look into, first of all. Let me just use the word concept-based forensic frameworks, survey. Now, if I see this work, are you seeing what is there? What's the first thing there?
Consent through lens of semantics, state-of-the-art survey and best practice.
Consent-based forensic frameworks and survey. And it helps me to know if there's some work in this area. First of all, there's what they call search words. If I put "and" in this area, it will only do everything. Sorry. This is what I did now. We had 901 results in 0.07 seconds in the first one. I'm now using "and" to say, bring me only words that are in this, that contains all these consent-based forensic and framework and software. Now, when I do that, I have 1,230 results in 0.11 seconds. Does that make sense to you now?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I want to do this now, first of all, it still didn't give me. Now, I look through all of them and see which one is related to what I'm supposed to do. Who is working on this area? Which of them do you think has anything to do with what you're working on? Can I keep moving forward?
Yes.
This one looks security and privacy requirement for electronic consent. Is it what you're working on? Does it relate to that? No, it has to do with forensics, right?
Yes.
If you have computers there, just type it and then see. Can you get me one of them? I'll now see how to consensual
So,
XR, the
so
consent-based
what of
design.
this one?
Which one?
The consent-based design framework.
Where is it?
This one, you are mentioning it. You are mentioning it. I think.
No, consent-based design framework. Where is it?
You go up. Daddy. I think I saw something like that up. No, come down, sir. Come down. Be coming down.
This one.
This one up. The one up. You have this one now. This one, sir. This one that has consensual SR.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. If I open it now, first of all, look at it very closely. When was it written? It was written in 2023.
2023.
And then it was published in IEEE Explore. Okay. Now, since 2023, only 4 people have cited it. So it doesn't show it's a wonderful work.
Okay.
Okay. Now, these are things you look at. You look at the publishers, and IEEE Explore are just conferences which people can always just publish. Okay. Let's look at this one. Have you seen this one? Electronic Informed Consent Criteria for Research Ethics Reviews.
Yes.
It's a little bit closer, but I'm not sure it covers what you are doing. But it's published by Stranger and has been cited by 74 people, which means it's a really good work. Now, if I click next, okay, it's a book. Can we change this title? Because what is in, can we say forensic framework for what?
Correlating online. Correlating online.
Mm-hmm. Online what?
That online offline survey. That was what I saw. I wasn't the one that put up that listen. I was just
just give us a title. We want to can anybody else give us just want to use one of your topics as an example of how to do literature review. That's all I want to do now.
Okay.
Just give us one title to talk about to show you how to do literature review.
Hello.
Doc, I said on students online and offline digital footprints. For correlating students online and offline digital footprints.
Like this? Like this?
No, the spelling is wrong. Online. Online.
consent-based forensic framework for correlating online and offline digital footprints. Yeah? Is this student that is missing? Hello?
I'm with you.
Is it top? Is it title?
Yes,
Okay,
come on.
right.
You want Transformers? Rise of the Beast.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you go through with me?
The what? Okay.
We are with you, sir.
What I'm seeing is digital footprint management for private individuals in Finland, open consent protocol for privacy and consent management with blockchain, searching place unknown, law enforcement jurisdiction, the limit of consent, big data for all, personal data stores, blockchain, so framework proposal for regulating lawful hacking by police. So is there anything here related to what you are doing? Because it's your work. So you need to search and then read through because it's your work to read through and see if what they are doing, what they did is closer to what you are doing.
After
Otherwise,
bringing those clothes, please spread those ones in the bucket before they start smelling.
Nonsense. What kind of rubbish is this one?
am I with you?
Yes, sir.
So what I can see is that your topic is not much, it's not an area people have done so much. So what I would advise you to do is that break it into chunks for you to do literature review in it. You can set forensic framework for analyzing digital footprints. Okay. Hello?
With
Hello,
you.
I can hear you.
Yeah, so
Yes.
if you look very closely, you see I just have only four tabs here after typing your full title. So it means it's not a place people have worked so much. So what I advise to do is break into chunks. Maybe you can talk about consent-based framework, consent-based forensic framework as one part. The other one is framework for analyzing online and offline digital footprints, the other path. With that, you can have some work in that area that is closer to your work because your work appears to have different things altogether, which not many people have done.
Yes.
So I can say concept-based forensic framework. Okay. I'll leave it at this. If I leave it at this point now, I'll see what's going to come out now. You see, I have more results. Look at this one, an agent-based framework for informed consent in the Internet of Things, which is related to what you're talking about.
Yes.
So you look at the frameworks that are used to drive consent from users in forensics. The other one, you now look at what are the frameworks for analyzing offline digital footprints. Look at this one, it said flexible and dynamic consent capturing.
Capturing. Yes.
Does it relate to what you're working on?
Yes.
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 Okay, let's look at this one now. If I put this, it's cited by 22 and it's a stranger, but let me open it now and show you how to analyze papers. Please let me know if did you see the screen fully?
Flexible and
Yes. We are
abstract.
seeing it.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes.
Please, can we, this part now you're about starting is important. Can we just log out and come in so that it will be full?
Okay.
Please. Thank you.
It's going to be 10 minutes after.
Sir? Oh, yeah, that's true. 10 minutes
Okay.
after, please. At least let's have a full session on it. Thank you, sir.